The most common questions I hear about age spots are age spots dangerous? How can I get rid of them? Let's tackle these questions right now. First of all, are they dangerous? There are a few things that you should watch out for, and if it starts to change, then we know we have a problem deeper than age spots. If you have much darker ones, that could be an issue, or if they're growing quickly. If they have a funky looking border around the outside, they look a little bit different than the other ones. If they're red, tender, or bleeding, that's a sign that you need to see the doc too. So the next question I want to address is, how can I get rid of unwanted age spots? Dr. Doug Willen, author of Quantum Paleo, created a solution for removing age spots. And he only uses 2 simple ingredients in his kitchen, and everybody has them in their kitchen. The number 1 solution is onion juice. Turns out onions have a lot more to offer us than flavoring the soup or the burgers. Studies have found that onion extract actually helps remove scarring on the skin, and it reduces skin lesions. Onions have an antioxidant property that helps to neutralize free radicals and encourage healing on the outer layers of the skin. The second ingredient, and if you don't have this, I don't know if I can be friends with you anymore. Apple cider vinegar. Now we talk about apple cider vinegar a lot. I talk about apple cider vinegar until I'm blue in the face. People come over and I'm talking about apple cider vinegar. Now a lot of people don't know that. This is a cool hack, and I want you to share it with your friends too. New studies have found that the treatment of these acids from apple cider vinegar improve the skin and the damage by the sun. Here is how the age spot removal remedy actually works. What I want you to do is dice up a fresh onion and put the contents in a baggie. Use some sort of heavy object to pulverize it. Pour the onion into a blender along with a half a cup of apple cider vinegar and just blend it up. Now take a cotton ball or a cloth and apply the remedy to your age spots once a day. Continue this for at least 2 to 4 weeks or until you see improvement. Now this remedy might not be an overnight fix, but it's extremely effective. I want to hear from you, so give this a try. Post some pictures once you see that it's actually working, and let me know how it goes. Keep in mind that everybody's skin, like each of our bodies, is entirely different. But if you're sick of dealing with age spots, then this is definitely worth a shot. In Sanskrit, the word Kalpa Vrikshka actually means the tree that gives all things necessary for living. And that is the coconut tree. It's an amazing, miraculous, healing superfruit. Raise your hand. If you're at your computer, I want you to raise your hand and tell me if you have ever taken a nice bath with magnesium salt, maybe some stuff you bought at the store to use a little aromatherapy and put you in a really good state, right? What I do is I add 2 giant tablespoons of coconut oil in my bathtub with the magnesium. What that does is it actually hydrates your body. It actually coats your skin. It actually helps the magnesium transport itself in you. And number 2 is oil pulling. If you've seen my video in the past where I'm taking the coconut oil first thing in the morning, swishing it around 10 or 15 minutes, pretty vigorously, you're moving around in between your teeth. And what that does is it gets rid of the bacteria in your mouth. So your mouth is an epicenter for the bacteria, and they say if you can clean your mouth out enough, it actually helps get rid of the bacteria that can go in your body and start to cause inflammation, can start to cause disease. Using it as a natural lotion. I love putting this stuff all over my body, right? Wake up in the morning, rub it all over your body. Usually what I do in the morning is I'll do a lymphatic shower, so I'll go hot, cold, get the lymphatic system moving, and then when I get out of the shower, I'll put coconut oil all over, and you can do the exact same thing. Coconut oil is antiviral and antifungal. What I like to do on acne or cold sores, anything like that, is I'll put a little coconut oil on there, and it helps get rid of it even faster. And number 6 is coconut oil can actually help stimulate hair growth. Putting it in your hair is one of the most hydrating, revitalizing things that you can do for the follicles in your head. You've probably seen the video where we actually made our homemade toothpaste. It's real easy to do, just a little baking soda, a little peppermint oil, and coconut oil. You make your own toothpaste. Is the soap that you're using at home, the dish soap, sometimes it has a lot of petrochemicals in it. Well, your skin is your largest organ, right? And it absorbs a lot of the stuff that you put on your skin. So when you absorb those petrochemicals, it actually causes a toxic buildup in your cells. And the more toxic you are, the more you store fat. So if you're trying to lose weight, you want to eliminate all those petrochemicals in your kitchen especially. You don't want your kids using that type of hand soap that has those things in it. So feel free to share this, send it out on Facebook, email it to your friends, and remember, as always, I'm Drew Canole, and we're in this together. There's nothing more attractive than a good smile. There's something that I want to show you today that I do every once in a while for my teeth that I absolutely love, and you're gonna love it too. It is taking turmeric, coconut oil, and a little peppermint oil. I actually have powdered turmeric here. I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of this delicious extra virgin coconut oil, and I'm gonna take 2 of these guys. I'm dumping that right on the coconut oil. Yeah, we are making toothpaste, my friends. We have a little bit of peppermint oil, just like that. I'm gonna mix it together. Now, turmeric actually helps with toothaches because it's microbacterial, microviral. It's really, really good for your teeth. Helps with gum irritation, gum reddening, helps with oral infections as well, and it helps from your teeth becoming brittle. All right, so we have the toothpaste. I'm just gonna take a little bit, put it on my toothbrush. Now it's probably gonna make my toothbrush a little yellow, so don't judge. All right, so a lot of people have sensitive teeth, and turmeric is one of the greatest things for inflammation. So what I would recommend is using this toothpaste, putting it on there, using turmeric to help get rid of the inflammation, get rid of the swollen gums that you may have as well. Drew Canole, remember, we're in this together. I have to ask you to leave my bathroom now. Once again. See you soon.